Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I will be swatching and reviewing Geneen Cosmetics Tinta Powder Matte Lip Tints for you. If you want to see what I think about them and how they look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so before I swatch these products, let me tell you something about it first. So these are from the brand Geneen Cosmetics. It is a brand that's available on Instagram, Facebook, and Shopee. There are 5 shades in this line that are all suitable for the Pinay skin tone. Also, these retail for 149 pesos each. Also, before I forget to mention it, these are also multi-use products. So it's really worth the price because you can use it for your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. So let's start off by swatching the shade Dagat. So I'm going to start swatching this on my hand first, on the back of my hand, and then we'll try it on the eyes and the cheeks and lips later. So this is the shade Dagat. And this is what the packaging looks like. Very sleek, very nice. Clear lang siya. And then you have the shade name on top, like that. It has a sticker on top that says the shade name and how much product this contains. So that's 5 ml of product. And this is watery. Yeah. This is a little watery compared to other tints. Yeah, so let's wait for it to dry. As you can see, it dries up really fast. It sets really fast. Next, we have the shade Ulap. So this is what the shade Ulap looks like. Next, we have the shade Isla. And really nice shade as well. And then, next we have the shade Gunita. They smell very strongly of bubblegum. And then, finally, we have the shade Takipsilim, which is a beautiful name. So these are like water tints, but they are very, very pigmented. And they dry down to a powdery matte finish. Unlike most water tints na parang gel siya and very translucent. So I've decided to use the shade Dagat for my eyelids. And then for my blush, I think I'm going to use Gunita. So let's try this on the eyes first. So once again, this is the shade Dagat. It is blendable, however, it does dry up pretty fast. So I think you have to work on this slowly but surely. Kumbaga, you can't put a lot in one application lang. You have to put it little by little and just build it up instead of putting a lot of product on your eye. So I really like how that looks like on the eye. Okay, so moving on to blush, I'm going to use the shade Gunita. So this is what Gunita looks like on my cheeks. And as I've mentioned earlier, it does set pretty quickly. So you really have to work fast with this. So hindi pwedeng parehong cheeks lalagyan mo na. One cheek at a time. Plus, it's buildable, so you can put one dot blend and then just add more if you need more. Alright, so now let's move on to lip swatches. I will be swatching each and every color on my lips. So that is 2 coats of the shade Dagat. Alright, so next we will be swatching the shade Ulap. Alright, so this is the shade Ulap. As you can see, it is very vibrant. And I think, I'm not really sure because I haven't really tried it out, but I think this shade is very similar to Soft Clementine or something. Basta Clementine, something from M Cosmetics by Michelle Phan. So it's a really nice color as well. Also, I want to test out if it's transfer proof since it's a matte or a powder matte tint. So ayan. I have nothing on my hand except for hair. And there's nothing there. Yan. So it is transfer proof. Okay, so nag-headband na lang muna ako guys because naalabad-bara na ako sa buhok ko. Also, I did mention earlier that these tints smell very strongly of a bubblegum scent, which honestly, I'm not a fan of bubblegum scents. However, I noticed that once the product dries down, you can no longer smell the bubblegum. Hindi na. So, moving on with our third shade, this is Isla. I really like this. Pretty shade. And so once again, this is Isla. Alright, so next I will be swatching the shade Gunita. I really like this shade as well. Such super nice shade. Perfect for everyday. Gunita. And lastly, I will be swatching the shade Takipsilim. Sorry if you can hear the barking of our neighbor's dog. That dog literally won't stop barking. So, yan. Takipsilim, which is the darkest shade out of the 5. Very red, as in Merry Christmas red. Alright, so now that we're done swatching all of the shades, I do have a few notes to tell you. So once again, these are the Tinta Powder Matte Lip Tints from Geneen Cosmetics. You can get this off of Shopee. Also, if you're going to purchase this on Shopee, I do have a discount code which I'm going to put somewhere here and on the description box below. So for a minimum of 200 pesos, you can avail of the discount using my code, which is 10% off. So the Tinta Powder Matte Lip Tint, once again, it has 5 shades that are all suitable for the Pinay skin tone. Second, these retail for 149 pesos each and contains 5 ml of product. So as I have mentioned earlier, it does have that initial strong scent of bubblegum. However, once it dries down and sets, it no longer has a scent. Also, there is no bitter taste to this. It doesn't taste like anything and it does not feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. So it is a little bit dry. I mean, that's pretty obvious already since it is a matte formula. So it is a little drying. But it is very powdery to the touch. Also, it is transfer proof. Completely transfer proof once it completely sets. It sets easily as well. So just a tip, if you're going to use this on your eyes and on your cheeks, make sure that you apply just a little bit of product first and then blend and just add more if you need to or want to. So aside from that, it is also very pigmented and very lightweight. As I've mentioned, it doesn't feel like, it feels like you have nothing on your lips, literally. Parang malalang. Ganon. So I guess that wraps up our review and swatch for today. Once again, if you're interested in this, I'm going to link their Instagram, Facebook, and Shopee down below. Also, if you would like to purchase your own Tinta Matte Lip Tint or any of their other products, since they also have other lines, plus they also have skincare like lotion and body scrubs, I'm going to put my discount code on the description box below. So that's GeneJ10. So again, you have to spend a minimum of 200 pesos to be able to avail of that discount with my code, and you're going to get 10% off. And that is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video.